Let's explore two important sections in Zoho Books, the Dashboard and the Items tab. When you open Zoho Books, your dashboard gives you a complete financial overview. At the top, you'll see total receivables, showing all unpaid invoices, divided into current and overdue. Next is total payables, which displays your unpaid bills, also split into current and overdue. The cash flow graph shows your cash position for the selected period, including cash at the start, incoming, outgoing, and cash at the end date. The income and expense graph compares your total income and total expenses, with an option to switch between accrual and cash basis. You'll also find top expenses, highlighting major expense categories for the current fiscal year, and a project section, where you can add projects to your watch list. The bank and credit cards area displays all your linked accounts, while the account watch list helps monitor key accounts, again with an accrual or cash toggle. At the bottom, you'll see quick access links. Download the Zoho Books mobile app, explore other Zoho products, or reach help and support for documentation, webinars, or assistance. Now, let's move to the Items tab. Here, you can manage your products and services. Start by choosing the type, either goods or service. Under Basic Details, enter the item name and SKU, and upload an image if needed. In the Sales Information section, add the selling price, choose the account, default is sales, and provide a short description. You can also mark the item as sellable. Under Purchase Information, enter the cost price, select the account, default is cost of goods sold, and mention the preferred vendor. You can also mark it as purchasable. If you want to track stock levels, enable inventory tracking for that item. Note that this can't be changed once transactions are created. Finally, use the Save or Cancel buttons to complete or discard your entry. That's a quick look at the dashboard and item sections in Zoho Books, designed to give you real-time financial visibility and easy product management for your business.
Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.